Add a gradient layer. Select or create a white to black gradient. Style, reflected. Lower the scale to get more black. Go to Filter. Filter Gallery. Convert to Smart Object. Go to Texture. Grain. Grain type, vertical. Adjust the contrast and intensity to your liking. Change the blending mode to multiply or darken. If you want, you can lower the opacity of the gradient layer a bit. Select the gradient layer and the background layer and convert them to a smart object. Go to Filter. Noise. Add noise. Adjust the settings to your liking. And that's how you create this effect.